Muddy Mouse. Muddy Mouse lives in a cage with 3 doors. If Muddy goes out on the first door, the probability that he gets caught by Alyssa the cat is 1/5, and therefore the probability he is not caught is 4/5. If he goes out the second door, the probability he gets caught by Alyssa is 1/4, and therefore the probability he is not caught is 3/4. The probability that Alyssa catches Muddy coming out of the third door is 1/2, and therefore the probability she does not catch Muddy is 1/2. It is equally likely that Muddy will choose any of the 3 doors, so that the probability of choosing each door is 1/3, equally likely. We are given the table caught or not caught with door 1, door 2, door 3, and the corresponding row and column total. This is known as the contingency table. Complete the probability contingency table, calculate the entries for the total, verifying that the lower right corner entry is 1. We need to find the number for each of these boxes. For example, for this particular box, it is the probability that Muddy gets caught and he used door 1. This entry, this box, the number in this box is the probability of the intersection of caught and door 1, and so it is the n probability. Specifically, if we let D1 denote door 1, D2 denote door 2, and D3 denote door 3, and if we let C denote caught and N denote not caught, for this first empty box here, we are looking at the probability of C and D1. That is, we're looking for P of C and D1. By the multiplication rule, this is P of C times P of D1 given C, or P of D1 times P of C given D1. We can compute this probability using any of the two formulas depending on which one is happening first. There are two events here, getting caught and leaving door 1. Muddy leave door 1 and then get caught. And so for these two formulas, the first formula is used only if Muddy get caught first. The second formula is used when Muddy leave door 1 first, and that is the case. And so we will use the second formula to find the probability. The probability that Muddy used door 1 is 1/3. We were told that the 3 doors are equally likely. If Muddy leave door 1, the probability that he get caught is 1/5. And so 1/3 times 1/5 is 1/15. So the number in this box is 1/15. Similarly, for the next entry in the next box, we're looking for the probability of caught C and door 2, and using the same method, if we're looking for P of C and door 2, we will take P of door 2 times P of C given door 2, and that is the probability of door 2 times the probability of C given door 2. The probability that Muddy leaves door 2 is 1/3, and if he goes out the second door, the probability that he gets caught is 1/4. 1/3 times 1/4 is 1/12. We proceed the same way to compute the probability of door 3 and caught, and that is 1/3 times. If Muddy leave door 3, the probability that he get caught is now 1/2. So 1/3 times 1/2 is 1/6. The probability that Muddy leave door 1 and not getting caught is 1/3 times the complement, which was 4/5. We were given 4/5. And 1/3 times 4/5 is 4/15. The probability that Muddy leave door 2 and get caught is 1/3 times 3/4, and 1/3 times 3/4 is 3/12. And the probability that Muddy leave door 3 and not getting caught is 1/3, and the probability of that he get caught if he used door 3 is 1/2. 1/3 times 1/2 is 1/6. Adding the numbers in column door 1, we have 1/15. Add 4/15 is 5/15. 1/12 plus 3/12 is 4/12. And 1/6 plus 1/6 is 2/6. We then add the numbers in the last row. 5/15 plus 4/12 plus 2/6. We will get 1. Please double check. In the row that label called 1/15 plus 1/12 plus 1/6, we will get 19/60. If we take 4/15 plus 3/12 plus 1/6, we will get 41/60. And 19/60 plus 41/60 is 60/60, which is 1. And so we compute the probabilities inside the table using the multiplication rules for each one of these 6 boxes, and then we add each column and each row to get the total, and then we add up the totals along the last row or the last column to get 1. From the table, we can answer part B. What is the probability that Alyssa does not catch Muddy? There is a row that labeled not caught, and we see that the total in that row is 41/60. And so we say that the probability that Alyssa does not catch Muddy is 41/60. C. What is the probability that Muddy choose door 1 or door 2 given that Muddy is caught by Alyssa? This is the conditional probability. If we were to write it in symbolic form, P of door 1 or door 2 given. Remember that the vertical bar for given, Muddy is caught by Alyssa. And to compute the conditional probability, we will use the conditional probability formula. We divide it by the probability of the given part, which is P of C, and in the numerator it is P of door 1 or door 2 and C. The probability that Muddy get caught is in the caught row. That is 19/60. And so in the denominator, it is 19/60. The probability that Muddy use door 1 and get caught, and door 2 and get caught, these two events are disjoint. Either door 1 or door 2, it cannot be happening at the same time. And so to find the probability of door 1 or door 2 and got caught, we take 1/15 plus 1/12. 1/15 plus 1/12 is over 60. We will write it down here. 1 over 15 plus 1 over 12. And again, 1 over 15 plus 1 over 12 is 9 over 60. We still need to divide it by 19 over 60. But 9 over 60 divided by 19 over 60 is 9 over 19. And so the probability that Muddy used door 1 or door 2, given that he get caught, is 9 over 19.